Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we will see how can we display contours at custom interval. Okay, so let's go ahead. We have already hidden our surface, the existing ground level surface. So let's go to our tool space and let's find the surfaces, and on the third, the tutorial surface is the surface that is our OGL, original ground surface. Okay, so we just right click and go to the surface properties, and here it's turned off. So let me first display with default. You have default options to display. So let me choose contours 1 meter and 5 meter background. See, 1 meter and 5 meter background. Remember this. So let's apply, and now you have contour displayed. So you have major and minor contour displays. So let's we will verify if it is actually at 1 meter and 5 meter interval. So let's go ahead and select the surface. Once you select the surface, you will have contextual option as usual, and then you go to the add level option at the right top top left corner, and add level. Let's choose single. So let's verify here. Contour single. So this one is 3.1. This one is 3.2, 3.3. 3.4, 3.5, and 3.6. Okay, so you see here, actually, okay, let's level more. Okay, this, and that's all I will level. And see, right now, you could notice the difference is actually not that stark, but you could notice this particular is grayed out, and these are all a bit darker. So this is probably the major contour, and these are all minor contours. So this is at 5 meter. Major contours are displayed at 5 meter intervals, and minor at 1 meter interval. Okay, great. So now let's check this first. Let's select the surface again, and then go to the surface properties. Here, let's create our own style. So copy current selection, and I will say first name this. So I will say as usual tutorial contours. I will contours, and now let's see we display for like 0.25 for minor contours and major at 1 meter interval. Okay, and I will keep the style as background, name as background, or you can remove it, whatever is more meaningfully for you. You can name it that way. After that, let's go to the contours option here, third option. So in this, you will go to the contour intervals. So here, right now, it's set to minor contour interval set to 1 meter and major to 5 meter. So just we have to change it. So select it, and then I want it minor to be displayed at 0.25 and major at 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter. Okay, great. Okay, cool. So okay, and another thing, let's first let it display. Okay, so this is, let's it display. Okay, so very well. So now you can, let's verify it again. So you see, it will take some time. Okay, so you see, this is 301, 302 here. It's displayed here. So these are our major contour lines. The minors, let's check. This should be 301.25, this should be 301.5, and this should be 301.75. Okay, so let's see, select the contour, and then okay, let's come to a single style, and this should be 301.25, this should be 302.5, and as we expected. So this is correctly applied. So this is how you can show contours at your custom intervals. Another thing, let's this is not distinguishable, so let's select again, and let's make it more distinguishable. So again, now we have to just edit our style that we have created. Okay, So let's go to the display here, and major contour is more dimmed out. Rather, I would want it to be a bit darker, and minor to be dimmed out, because minor, we have more minor contours. Okay, so we like this, and then maybe we can change also the line type. So this one for major, I would choose dashed. Okay, and for minor, I would say dashed 2. Okay, okay. And line type, maybe we need to increase it. Maybe I put it like 2. Okay, for major, and for the minor, maybe we have to make it like also 2. Let's make it twice. Okay, so okay, and apply. That's more visible. Let's increase it to maybe 5, because this should not interfere with our view, other views, other displays. So it should be light as possible. Okay, so I think now this is fine. This is actually a better view. So guys, that's all for this video. Uh, we'll see you in the next video with something more interesting. And if you learned something from this video, please share with your friends, like and comment to the comment on the video. Have a great time. Bye.